Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Renalyn Alvarez, 37 years old. I'm separated. I have 3 children. I am high school graduate. I have experience as my own house, how to clean, gardening, washing and iron clothes, and car washing, and also cook. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak basic Mandarin words and language. And I love taking care of children, give her food on time, vitamins, and bath every day. And sometimes I tutoring and playing with her. I love children as my own child. Mom and Sir, I am patient, honest, responsible, loyal. Mom and Sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I finish my contract. Thank you.